We're looking at number 3. The given information we have is PQ is 24, PS is 19, PR is 42, TQ is 10. The measure of PQR is 106, QSR is 49 degrees. The measure of PRS is 35 degrees. Alright, so right here, this is Q, just because we can't see that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is label the information given. We have PQ is 24. We have PS is 19. We have PR is going to be 42, so the full length is 42. Since T is a midpoint, this is 21, this is 21. Then we have TQ, which is going to give us 10. If this is 10, T is a midpoint, S is going to be 10. Then we have the measure of PQR. Right here, that angle is going to be 106 degrees. Then we have QSR, which is going to be 49 degrees. Then we have the measure of PRS, which is 35 degrees. Alright, so let's get started. I know I jumped the gun and did 21 to represent that 42, but T is a midpoint. So T is a midpoint, so we'll just cut it in half. Well, since it is a parallelogram in the question, or in this entire packet, PQ is 24, therefore SR is 24. PS is 19, that makes QR 19. So from here, we're going to try to figure out how to do everything. It's not too hard. We have all the lengths filled out, but now we need the angles. Just to help you get a visual, this angle using alternate interior angle, since with the parallel lines, will be equal to this angle. Then we have it as this angle is equal to this angle through alternate interior angles. Then we have it as this angle is equal to this angle. And then finally we have this angle is equal to that angle. Alright, so we're just going to fill in what we have. This is 49 degrees, so that is 49 degrees. And since this is 106 degrees, to find out what QT or TQR is going to be, we do 106 minus 49. Again, all I did on my calculator was 106 minus, you can see that. Let me see if I get the brightness. I did 106 minus 49, which got me 57. So this right here would be 57 degrees. If this is 57 degrees, then this has to be 57 degrees. Let's see, do I have more numbers? I don't. But look what we got here. What shape does STR make? That makes a triangle. Well, if we know anything about triangles, a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. So, define the measure of, let's just write it out, the measure of angle STR plus the measure of TSR plus the measure of TRS is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason why it equals 180 degrees is that we have a triangle. So first, STR, we don't know it, but we do know TSR. We do know TSR. TSR is the yellow, which is 49 degrees, and we do know TRS, which is going to be 35 degrees. So what we have here is 49 degrees plus 35 degrees plus the measure of angle STR equals 180. So now we're finding what it's going to be. So we could just do 45 plus 35 gets you 80. Or 49, oops, sorry. 49 plus 35 gets you 84. That's more like it. Measure of STR equals 180. And then you are going to subtract 84 to both sides. So what we get here for the measure of it is we get the measure of STR is equal to, well, 180 minus 80 would get us 100, and then 100 minus 4 would get us 96 degrees. So this would be 96 degrees right here. And with that information, what we have here, with that information right there, that's a linear pair. What this means is that this angle and that angle always adds up to 180. So to figure it out, you could just do 180 minus 96, and you get 84 degrees. Well, with this information, we have 57 and 84 degrees. We could do this whole process again, but we could do everything in our calculator to find out what this QRT, or this pink angle, is going to be. Okay? So what we're going to do is do 180 minus 57 minus 84, and that gets us 39 degrees. And so, since we use the triangle sum theorem on this part for that angle, we can just show the alternate interior angles that this is 39 degrees and that this is 35 degrees. Alright? And you could check your work if you did the answer right. Let's check it if we did it right. All these angles should add up to 360 degrees. 35 plus 39 plus 49 plus 57 plus 39 plus 35 plus 49 plus 57. And look at that, we get 360. That is not the only way you could check your answer. You could also check your answer to see if these angles add up to 180. Let's try that. It doesn't matter which pair we choose because it's always going to be the same. So let's see if these two add up to 180. If they do, we got it right. 57 plus 49 plus 35 plus 39 equals 180. That means all adjacent areas will be 180 because it's a consecutive interior pair. All right, there we go. That's number 3.